Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie Sweet Home Treat. So guys, today's video will be making this yummy delicious snacks, easy snacks you can make at home for breakfast, for tea, for mineral, for juice. It goes with all. So soft, fluffy. So guys, these are all the ingredients we'll be using. If today is your first time of tuning into my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like, drop your comment, and watch to the end. Stay tuned, guys.